You know these videos you keep seeing on your social media feed where people are reviewing all sorts of products? Well, what if I told you that all of the people you're seeing on screen are completely AI generated? Guys, there is a wave of AI UGC businesses making absolute bank right now. And the best part is that these are the kinds of businesses you can start and scale yourself even as a one-person team. And that's why in today's video, I'm showing you guys the exact steps you can take to do the same thing. Now, this includes using AI to find winning products and niches, how to make viral-worthy UGC videos just with basic prompting, and how to even set your first e-commerce store up in minutes so you can actually begin selling these products. And guys, the best part is you don't have to make any of the videos yourself. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to show your face. We're going to leverage AI tools to do all of the heavy lifting and hard work for us. This is a super cool workflow and opportunity you don't want to miss. And I'll also be linking all of the tools I'm using and the exact prompts down below in the description box for you guys to follow along. If you've ever wanted to run your own online business, this is definitely the video for you. Let's get to it. But really quickly, guys, just a disclaimer like I put in these videos, everything I'm sharing today is based on my own personal testing and research and experiences as someone who's been running online businesses for years at this point. Results aren't guaranteed, but I honestly think this is a very cool opportunity. I think it's an amazing use case for AI. So again, if you've wanted to set up your own online store and online business before, this is the video for you, and let's get right to it. And so guys, I'm going to just jump right into this thing. When finding the right products to sell online, picking a niche is actually so important. It doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, run your own e-commerce business, do drop shipping, you need to find trending products and niches that perform well on social media and also have enough sales volume and margins to support what you're doing. Now, in the past, this kind of niche research and finding products to sell could take hours and hours of time, but we're going to take a shortcut here and I'm actually going to use Claude to come up with ideas for me. And all I'm going to ask it for is help finding profitable, popular e-commerce products that help solve a problem, because these are the kinds of products you want to be selling online. Now, again, I'll be putting the exact prompts I'm using throughout this video in the description box for you guys to follow along, but here's what I'm telling Claude. I'm telling Claude, I want you to act as an expert e-commerce product researcher. Find me 20 products that solve everyday problems, have strong social media potential, high margins, and are suitable for dropshipping. For each product, explain why it has potential, who the target customer is, where I can source it from, and 5 UGC video ideas. Now you can see from my results that Claude spits back a ton of different products and data. Now, of course, guys, you can edit the prompt a little bit. You can give Claude a little bit of a direction to go in if there's a niche you want to sell stuff in. But again, you can start super basic and then narrow it down from there. Anyways, I spent a bit of time going through Claude's recommendations, and here are some of the top products I decided to test out. Okay guys, so I spent some more time playing around with Claude, and I've actually gotten a lot of different product recommendations that I want to add to my first store. And I've kind of gone down the sports and fitness route for this niche just because a bunch of the product recommendations were in sports and fitness, but I found some pretty cool ones. And the first is actually this kind of rechargeable rolling massage thing. It looks like it's for your feet. It's also for your back. I think it could do pretty well with UGC ads and on social media because I haven't really seen anything like this before, but it looks interesting. Now, as I was researching that suggestion from Claude, it also suggested this kind of massage pen thing. I know that massage rollers and different massage guns have been really popular in the last year or two, but I haven't really seen a pen before, so I think this is also a product that's worth testing. Now, another one I found that is a bit weird, I'm going to do some research on it first before I potentially add it to my shop, is this kind of smart fitness ring thing. It basically collects data like your heart rate, your blood pressure, and a bunch of other metrics, and then shares it with your smartphone so you can basically monitor your health data in real time. I know Apple Watches and a bunch of fitness watches do this, but I've never really seen it as a ring before, so again, seems like a product that is worth testing with my new store. Now, I will say I asked Claude for a bunch more suggestions in the sports and fitness niche once I kind of dialed down the niche I want to sell in, and it came back with so many suggestions. So I'm going to take about another half hour to maybe an hour to kind of look through a bunch of these product recommendations and think about more products I want to potentially test. But guys, Claude makes this so easy. Again, you used to have to scroll through TikTok for hours to find this kind of stuff or scroll through AliExpress listings, Amazon listings. Now you can get all of this data in a matter of minutes and then just scroll through and find the products that you actually want to sell and test. So this is the product research phase done. Again, this used to take tons of time, but now you can use AI tools like Claude to do tons of the research and work for you. And now that I have some potential dropshipping products to sell, it's time to move on to phase 2 of this video, which is to actually make the UGC videos to promote these products on social media. So guys, for step 2, we're actually going to use a new AI-powered tool called CreateUGC to make the UGC videos for these products that Claude just recommended. Now guys, in the past, getting getting UGC content made took so much time. You either had to film it yourself or you had to spend hundreds of dollars hiring a human to do it. Again, huge bottleneck and also very expensive. So it was really difficult for beginners to try this method out. Now we can use AI tools to do all of the hard work for us. And again, UGC videos, they perform so well on social media. They perform well as paid ads. So this is definitely the strategy we want to go for this new business we're launching. Now to get started, just head over to CreateUGC and create an account with your email or Google account. Signing up is super simple, and you also get a 3-day free trial so you can see how this thing works. And I'll be linking CreateUGC down below in the description box as well. Now, once you're logged into CreateUGC, there are a bunch of different video styles that you can start making. As you can see here, there are product reaction videos, there's product in hand videos, and then there's a video style with an AI avatar reading a script to the camera. And so for the first video, we're actually going to do a product reaction video because I feel like this does better on social media. And again, it works really well as a paid ad. So this is what I'm going to be creating first. And what's really cool is that CreateUGC lets you pick between several AI models to generate your video, including VO3, Kling 3, and Seed Dance 2.0. I'm going to use Seed Dance for this one, but again, you can play around with the models. Now, once you pick the model, you just have to copy the product link Claude gave you and put it into CreateUGC. And this link can be a link from Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, and basically any e-commerce listing. Once you enter the link, CreateUGC's AI can scan through the product page, collecting important information it then uses to write a script for your video. Next, just enter a short product description and choose some of the images you want CreateUGC to use when making the final video. Now for the next step, you're actually going to choose the aspect ratio you want for this piece of UGC content. I'm going to use 9:16 because this is the format for shorts, reels, and TikToks. And you can also choose the language you want for your video and how long the video is. Now finally, you're going to pick the AI avatar that's actually the person speaking on camera in this video. And this is honestly where a lot of the secret sauce is with CreateUGC, because it has such a diverse catalog of AI avatars to choose from. And this means you can really find an avatar that matches the target audience for the product you're selling. Now personally, I'm going to pick this avatar because I think they look somewhat like my target audience for the first product I want to sell, and I think my target audience would relate to this one. Now what's also cool is that CreateUGC actually lets you choose the tone of voice and even accent for your avatar. So again, you can kind of match it to the target audience you're selling to. But yeah, if you're happy with all of those details, the next step is just to approve the final script. CreateUGC's AI has already made a base script for us just by using all of the product details it scraped. And I also like that it has different tones for you to choose from, like a funny script versus a more professional script. Now, if you're not happy with the script, you can tweak it yourself, but this is also an excellent opportunity to once again use Claude to do a lot of the hard work for you. For example, I like asking Claude to write scripts for me with this prompt. You're a professional UGC marketer. Create a 15-second script to promote your product. Focus on hooking in the viewer and then quickly explain why they should shop. It's a super simple prompt, but again, Claude does a pretty good job at making these scripts really catchy and having a strong hook to actually get your viewers' attention. Now, once your script is ready, just click next and then CreateUGC begins making your first video. This can take a few minutes, but again, this is so much faster and simpler than making this from scratch yourself. Anyways, now that my first video is done, let me show you guys CreateUGC in action and I'll play you the video I just made.
Crushed leg day again? Don't let sore muscles bench you. This cordless roller massager brings pro-level recovery to your warm-up, co-down, or couch. Hit 5 speeds, roll out the pain, and skip the awkward yoga poses. Grab yours and bounce back faster.
So guys, you can see that the AI avatar looks pretty realistic. They hook in the viewer with a decent hook. Overall, the video flows pretty well. And honestly, this is a decent piece of UGC content to put out to start promoting this product. And this is really the power of using a tool like CreateUGC. You can pump out this kind of content. It's honestly pretty good out of the gate. And again, this is actually the kind of content you would see on your phone as you're scrolling through social media and you would stop and watch. Now, if you're brand new to UGC marketing and you're kind of feeling stuck and you don't really know how to start, don't stress because there are other ways you can get started and get a bit of inspiration. And that's because CreateUGC has an inspiration videos tab where you can find videos other creators have made, including how many views they're getting for a bunch of different niches. So you can search for different product keywords and basically get a bunch of related videos. You then find the ones that are getting views, study how they create scripts and the products they're selling, and then copy the formula for your own business. But yeah, that's essentially the entire workflow of coming up with a product you want to sell online and then actually making UGC assets to promote that product. Now from here, you can actually download the file right from CreateUGC or even edit it within CreateUGC, so you don't need to buy third-party editing software. And this is also a great way to add captions really quickly to your videos, which I find makes them pop more on social media. Now personally, I recommend creating at least 5 to 10 videos you're going to use to start posting on social media to grow some new accounts and to begin promoting the products that you want to sell. I'm going to spend some time making my own videos for the different products that Claude recommended. And once you do that, it's time to move on to step 3, which is actually setting up our store so people have somewhere to shop from. Okay guys, it's time for phase 3 of this video. And now we're actually going to build a store so people have somewhere to shop from when they see our products on social media. And again, kind of like making UGC videos, making stores these days to sell stuff online is way easier thanks to AI. Back in the day, you had to know how to develop stores or you had to hire a developer to build things for you. But now you can literally build stores with basic prompting in a couple of minutes. And so to get started, we're actually going to use another AI-powered platform called Build Your Store to get your first store up and running in minutes without any experience or coding required. And again, I'll be linking Build Your Store down below in the description box if you guys want to sign up and also follow along with this video and get your own store live. Now, once you're on Build Your Store, just click the Build My Free Store button to get started. Build Your Store then gets you to sign up with your email or Google account, and it's basically going to make us a Shopify store completely from scratch. So first, you're going to pick a niche, and Build Your Store works for a bunch of different ones, and I'm going to pick the sports and fitness niche since this is where most of my products fall under. Next, choose the banner image you want for your store's homepage. And guys, don't worry, you can change all of these details later, so don't stress too much. Just get through the sign up flow so your store can actually get off of the ground. Now for the next step, you actually have to sign up for a Shopify store. This is how Build Your Store actually creates your store and lets you add products that you want to sell. This whole thing just takes a minute or so, and once you enter your details, you just click on Activate My Store to finish things up. Now what's really awesome is that right now Shopify is giving people a 3-day free trial, so it's really easy for you to test this out, and afterwards it only costs $1 per month for your first 3 months. Now guys, this workflow is super simple, but for the final piece of the puzzle, we actually have to add some products to our store that again, people can find and purchase. Now really the best way to do this and to automate your entire dropshipping operation is to use AutoDS, a leading product supplier for dropshippers around the world. And Build Your Store actually integrates with AutoDS natively and prompts you to sign up for it. You just have to follow the welcome flow and then click Shopify as the sales channel that you're using. Once that's all done, you can actually access your new store, and let me show you guys how it looks out of the box because it's honestly pretty impressive. So you guys can see here that the store looks pretty polished out of the box. It has a nice banner, it has numerous products that are already listed, it's responsive and it loads well, and it looks like a legit e-commerce business. I also like how the individual product pages look as well, and it's perfect for actually getting sales and getting customers to check out. Now, of course, these are just some base products that AutoDS thinks will sell well based on your niche, but we want to sell the products we've made the UGC content for and the products that we found using Claude. To do this, you just head into your AutoDS dashboard and add the product URL again for the products that you want to sell. AutoDS will then list that product for sale on your store, and if someone makes a purchase, AutoDS handles all of the ordering and fulfillment, so you never have to touch the products yourself. Again, guys, this workflow is so fast and so simple. You can use AutoDS to list products for sale with just a few clicks. And creating UGC videos for those products is also super easy, so AI is handling all of the tough marketing elements for you. And again, this is really why I love AI tools. They're removing barriers to entry, they're making these kinds of side hustles possible, and really anyone can launch an online business now, even if you've never done that before. One thing I'll also mention is that AutoDS's MCP is now officially available on the Claude connectors list. This means that users can now connect AutoDS directly through Claude's built-in connectors without needing to go through the manual add connector setup process. If you're a bit of a techie, this makes the workflow even simpler. It's so easy to do now. And again, AutoDS, Build Your Store, it makes everything so much easier than doing all of this yourself. But okay guys, we're on to the 4th phase of this video. We have our products that we want to sell. We've actually added them to our store and our store is now live. But a lot of videos that cover this topic of starting a one-person business by using AI, they end here and they never actually talk about the marketing aspect behind all of this. And so really at this stage, we have all of the pieces in place, but it's now important to drive customers to your store and to start building up attention and hype around your new business. And really my advice here is just to start out by building some basic theme pages on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok for your new business. A theme page is basically a page that posts content about a certain niche. So if you're selling sports and outdoor gear, you could create a social media account that makes it clear you're a sports and outdoor enthusiast. Once your pages are set up, just start posting one video per day you make with CreateUGC to your pages. Now guys, at first you're probably not going to get that many views. You might post a video you make with CreateUGC, you might get like 5 to 10 views, and honestly this is where 99.9% of people give up and stop putting in the work. But really guys, consistency is the name of the game, and this is where again a lot of people give up because they think dropshipping is easy money, it's something they could do overnight, but that is really not the case. Consistency is the name of the game. You need to post enough content so algorithms have a reason to trust you, and you really do have to grind out your first followers, get some age on your accounts, and build up your pages brick by brick. This is again why I recommend creating at least 5 to 10 videos with CreateUGC, post these every day or so onto your account, build up your pages over time, and let them just get a bit of age and kind of let them sit for a little bit. Once you have about 10 to 15 videos on each of your pages, I would add your store link to your link in bio so people can actually find your store when they see your page on social media. And again, guys, this is a very slow process. Yes, videos might go viral. The UGC style is very, very popular, but for most people, it's going to be a very slow, gradual process to building up your pages and building up traffic to your new online store. That said, as you make videos, you can work on making each video slightly better than your last one and learning as you go through the process. This is also why I recommend really studying content formats that are working, especially when you see viral videos in your niche. Personally, when I see pieces of viral content online that I think I can learn from, I bookmark them and I also put them in a Google Sheet I've made to track a bunch of different viral content ideas that I can use for my own businesses. I recommend you do the exact same thing. And again, guys, AI-powered dropshipping, it's not something that's going to work overnight. Results aren't guaranteed, but really this workflow is so much fun and it's something anyone can do because again, you don't have to show your face and AI is doing all of the hard work for you. But anyways, guys, that does it for the workflow for how you can start your own one-person business by leveraging AI, even if you've never done this sort of thing before. And again, I'll stress one more time that results aren't guaranteed. And when you see people posting this content online and they talk about these overnight success stories, they're probably selling you a course or they're selling you a pipe dream because that's just not how this works for 99% of people. But like I said, AI has really removed barriers to entry and anyone can try out this workflow. You don't need a camera, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to be on camera, and AI handles all of the work for you, and then dropshipping handles the order fulfillment. I think it's super cool, I think it's super fun, and I'm also going to be testing this out some more, so look out for part 2 of this video because I will be scaling up this store. I want to run some Facebook ads, I want to put out some more products and really tweak things, and I'm super excited to test out this side hustle even more. I hope this video has been helpful, and like I said, I'll also be linking all of the tools I've used and the prompts I've used as well in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check out. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.